Actor Tarun inaugurated the On Kitchen and Bar, a new restaurant at Banjara Hills in the city on Monday. The multi-cuisine restaurant threw open its doors with a grand party attended by the city's prominent celebrities and socialites. Speaking to reporters, the restaurateurs said they aim to offer the finest in world cuisine using the freshest sourced ingredients.
What made me come to this city and bring this to the city is that the city was lacking something which is on a very chilled out, relaxed zone, something which there's no personal care of a guest taken if you go into a place. Basically, I want to give all five-star facilities under one roof. On is something, it's a statement which I want to make, saying we are on for everything that you want. Whatever you need will be done by us. Because I see it as a future, I see it as a brand, and a brand cannot be built in a day. Brand will take a lot of time to it, but this is the start. My standards are totally international. We work only on international standards. I have been abroad, done my market research over there, come to Hyderabad, done my market research over there. Standards of every place, every outlet, new restaurant has to be taken up every time. So I'm setting a new bar for future competition which will come into the market. See, I have a lot of expectations from this thing, but if your product is good, then your response will be good, and we totally believe in our product. We've spent a lot of time making it, so I am expecting a really good response from the crowd.
Very happy, of course. Not only now, for the past 3-4 years we've been thinking of something like this. Very happy to finally come up with a place like this, and as you all know, I love to party. So good to have a place of your own, and that too opening it up with a few friends of yours whom you really know well, Sandeep, Rohan, Vikrant and all, very good. And being in the film industry, to come and open something like this totally out of the line is a different experience. And no, it's not a nightclub. I want to make sure that it's not a nightclub. It's a proper food place. You come in for dinner, you want to sit over a drink and talk. It's not going to be a bang bang music and where people are dancing and you hardly any place to move and all. So basically most of the places are only by reservation. You just have to call up before and make a reservation, like the VVIP areas and all. One more wonderful place to chill out, dine, party. So please come here, enjoy the place. Hope you all love it. We love it. And of course, I'm damn sure that you'll all love it. And I hope you all have a great time. And I definitely feel that whenever you come, drop in over here, you feel like you're just sitting at your house.
Well, I'm sure the food lovers in the city will be all excited. Well, that wraps up this morning's bulletin. Thank you for joining us, and do mail us your feedback to metro@tv5news.in. This is Vijayanand signing off.